In this video, you can see the troubleshooting and repair process of the end EQT machine. The device had a problem with noise and signal interface, and the EQT waveform was not being displayed correctly on the screen. During the initial inspection, we first replaced the patient cup, but the problem was still present. Next, we replaced the electrode and suction cups used from the QC and lathes, and performed another test. However, the problem is still remained. We inspected the electrode control board and find a fault in the board section. After